It is day 50 of the 100-day project and my personal not precious project. And I decided to get back to one of the projects I had unfinished, and that was taking apart an old typewriter. Now, no worries, this one was damaged and just, it's got so many luscious parts, it needed to come apart. But I am having trouble getting it apart. There are lots of little screws and wires, and I think some of it might actually be welded together. So if you have any tips on taking apart a typewriter, I would love to hear them. And if you have interest in taking apart one, know that a little bit of patience and some elbow grease and time are needed to do this. And let's see what else comes along for this 100-day project, and hopefully I can get this typewriter apart very soon.